Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Mega Minion Gus from the new Despicable Me. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Mega Minion Gus, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to begin by making a circle for the first eye. Then I'm going to leave some space and I'll make another circle for the second eye. I'm going to try to keep it about the same size. Next, right inside of here, I'm going to make a small circle for the pupil, and I'll do the same thing here, just a small circle for the pupil. Then let's make a little circle inside of there and just kind of color the rest. Same thing, little circle and then kind of color the rest. Next, starting here, I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve around the eye. And it's going to come right to here. And we'll do the same thing over here. Just curve around and bring it right to here. Next, I'm going to go over, down, and in. And same thing here. Over, down, and in. Next, let's make a line that's going to go over, down, and back in for the strap. And then same thing here. Let's just go over, down, and then back in. Now, we're going to make a nice tall head. He's got kind of like that pointy cone head. So let's begin by drawing a line that's going to curve up to a point, and then we're going to come down, and we're just going to run right into there. Next, we're going to bring this line down, and we're going to bring this line down. And we can bring these down just a little bit farther. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come in at an angle, and in at an angle. Then we're going to go right across. Next, we're going to make a smile right here. And then we're going to go down and up for a bigger smile. Put a little curved line for a tongue. And then we'll make some little bumps for the teeth. Next, we're going to draw a line right across here. And then we're going to make a big sad face shape that's going to go around the mouth. And then it's going to come down here for kind of like a little bit of the mask that they wear. Next, I'm going to go down, in, and up like that. And then same thing, we're going to go down, in, and then just up. Next, I'm going to go down and down. Then I'm going to go over and over. And then right here, we're just going to curve this down and then up here. Next, I'm going to make this line go over. We're going to go down, over, and then up. Then let's work on the legs. I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to go down, over, and up. And then same thing here, down, over, and up. We're going to make another one that's going to go down, over, and up. Down, over, and up. We'll draw two lines that come down on each one. Then we'll make a curve here. And we'll make a curve right here. Then we'll curve this up to here. And then we'll curve this up to here. Then we'll make another one here. And we'll make another one here. Now let's make the arms. I'm going to start right here and I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to come over and then down here. We'll make a little line across. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around for the thumb. Then I'm going to make a bump here, a little one here, and then a little one here, and then connect it. Now, over here, I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to bring this line up. We're going to come over and then down. We're going to make a little line here. Then we'll curve around for the thumb. I'll make a bump here, an oval here, and an oval here. Next, let's make the cape. So, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that curves down, and then a line that curves down here. I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to make it kind of wavy, and then we're going to bring this up. And there you go. There is your drawing of Mega Minion Gus. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.